So the
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, it's me Kushi. Welcome back to my channel. And as you read by this title, this video is a makeup haul. I bought products from Cuffs and Lashes, Amazon, and Myntra. And if you guys are wondering why I'm uploading makeup video all of a sudden, then the reason is I got addicted to beauty related stuff after watching That Quirky Miss. If you guys don't know who she is an Indian YouTuber. So I've been loving makeup after watching her. So I thought why not to test some makeup products for the very first time. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I'm really very excited. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first products are from Myntra, and I ordered this long ago, but I didn't did any hauls because I was waiting for other products to reach. But I don't know the exact prices when I bought this because I literally didn't took any screenshots, so I'm really sorry for that. But now let's see what are the products. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. Okay, so the price of the primer now is $4.79, but I guess I bought this lesser than this amount. I read the review of this and it was like it is perfect for oily skin, and trust me, I don't even know what is my skin type, so I don't really know if this will work for me. But anyways, I bought this. So the next product is this Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. Okay, so the foundation cost rupees 411. So this is how it looks, and I'm in the shade Warm Nude, if you guys can see. And this is how it looks when you open it. I'm just going to take a little bit to show you guys. So I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know if this is perfect shade for our skin tone, because I already said this is the first time I'm experiencing with makeup. So let's see. So the next product is also from Maybelline, and this is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. But when you open this, there will be this powder, and there is another compartment here. So here you have sponge kind of thing to apply the powder, and my sister I've already used this, as you guys can see. And you also have cute little mirror, you guys can see this, and this cost rupees 384 as of now. So
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
okay guys, I just broke the highlighter. My sister is going to kill me. But this is also from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I am in the shade Molten Gold, and this cost of rupees 550. This highlighter was recommended by That Quirky Miss. This is one of her favorite highlighters, so I really thank her for recommending me this one. This is how the highlighter looks. Oh my god, it was so pretty, but now look at this. But this is so buttery. Let me swatch. Oh my god, I'm really scared. I'm not really sure if you guys can see that, but this is very glowing and perfect for wedding. I'm not really in the mood to make a video anymore. So the next products are from Cuffs and Lashes, and I got to know about it by That Quirky Miss, as always. So the first product from Cuffs and Lashes is this Beauty Blender. So this is how it looks like. It will get double in size when you wet this, and this one is also recommended by That Quirky Miss, but she ordered the peach one from the same company, 20 something. I ordered this one by mistake, but this one is also so soft and good. So this cost only rupees 125. Like, this is very affordable. So the next product is this In Color Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade N420. This is how it looks like. So this cost rupees 149, which is really very affordable, and it is currently out of stock, so I'm really sorry for that. But I expected this would be darker than it is. To be honest with you guys, my sister didn't really like this one, and I don't know if this really suits me. I will place a photo or video in the frame so you guys can tell me if that suits me. Please help me by commenting in the comment section. So this is how it looks. I don't know what to say more about this, but just let me know whether it suits on me. So the next product is this SFR Color Contour Bronzer Blush Highlighter 4-in-1, and you won't believe how affordable this is. This is for only 149. Like, you get 4-in-1, and I am having the second palette of it. So this is how it looks when you open. This just happened again. But anyway, this is how it looks when you open it. You have highlighter, and I guess this is bronzer, I don't know, and here's contour, and here's blush, and you have really cute and tiny mirror, if you guys can see here. So you also get this little tiny brush. But let me swatch all of the colors in front of you guys. So first I'm going to swatch the highlighter. So the next one is bronzer, I guess. I hope you guys can see that. It is not really visible because it is quite similar to my skin tone. Okay, now let's jump on to the contouring. Okay, so this is how it looks. And the last one is blush. So this is how they look like. So that is it for this product. Now let's jump into the last product. Okay, so the last product is which I was waiting for, and this is this SFR It's My Pleasure eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So it has glitter, shimmer and matte eyeshadows, and this cost only rupees 249. So I feel like the Cuffs and Lashes website is especially made for beginners because the product are so affordable there, and I'm really sorry this is also out of stock right now. This is how the palette looks like, and this is how it looks from the back side. Oh, and again. So this is how the palette looks like. It has purple and pink shades, and again you have a mirror available here. And let me swatch few of the eyeshadow shades now. So I'm going to swatch this shade. This is Kitten Fish, and this is how it looks. Let me swatch another matte shade. So this is Fan Fiction, and this is how it looks. Let me swatch one pressed glitter. I'm going to swatch this one, Bare Minimum. Ooh. Okay, I can't just let it go, so I'm going to swatch another glitter shade. So I'm going to swatch this one, Mr. Sandman. These shades are very shiny, you guys. The camera is not capturing, but in real life these are very shiny. So lastly I'm going to swatch the Chick Lit. This is how it looks. So these were the products from Cuffs and Lashes, and we also have a product which I bought from a supermarket. So this is the product. I already have one from Cuffs and Lashes, but this is from a supermarket, and this is of brand Glimmer, and this one cost rupees 149, which is 150. So this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little harder than this one, but I guess this will become softer when I will wet this. Hello everyone, sorry for the unprofessional interruption, but I have one product from Amazon too. So this is the product. So these are makeup brushes for both eyes and face. So this is generic foundation eyeshadow makeup brush set, pink, set of 10, and there is two options available here. One is pink gold and another one is pink silver. So I have ordered this pink silver, and the pink silver cost rupees 259. Like, you freaking get 10 brushes for only 259. So this is how the brushes looks like. This comes with this packaging. So the bristles of this are slightly bent, as you guys can see, because of the packaging. But I asked my internet best friend and she said to soak these brushes in warm water, so I'll try it. And talking about the quality, these are very soft, as you guys can tell. I haven't faced any fallout till now, But let's see after using this and washing. This is how big it looks. And I feel like these brushes are great steal for beginners. So just go and buy this if you are looking for some affordable brushes. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with interesting challenges really very soon. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, let me meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh my god. How do they do this? And it is quite, not so good, quite good. I don't know. First, I'm going to swatch the eyeliner.